How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today I'm going to make a video on TEMU. Some of you have asked me, what are your thoughts on TEMU? Is it a scam? Can you make a review on TEMU next? Personally, I have not used TEMU yet, but I have used competing Chinese shopping apps and bought really low price things. I dug through my emails because I remember them pinging me and I got a contact there. And so this video is brought to you by TEMU. One of the questions I personally have is how did it get the prices so low? They send them actually direct from China. So whenever you buy stuff from them, it's gonna take about 3 weeks to arrive. Another question is, how are the prices compared to other Chinese shopping apps? So let's buy a few things and check out the quality of the products and also the prices.
Get the Cactus, get the Clogs.
Out of all the items, this is probably my favorite. Let me turn it on. How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. And it has some music options. If you want one of these on Amazon, it costs $17.97. On a competing Chinese app, $11.12. But if you go on the TEMU app, $5.49. $17, you might not buy it, but like for $5, it dances, makes you laugh. Why not? Next up, we got a pair of Croc Dupes. They look exactly like Crocs, but it does not say Crocs on the side. I have a pair of actual Crocs over here. They cost about $40 to $50. Competing app, $11.84. On TEMU, $8.99. Actual Croc weighs 6.3 ounces, whereas your Clogs weighs 4.75 ounces. So what's the deal here? I think the material in the original Croc is a little bit denser, but actually putting my feet in there, these Clogs feel lighter weight. Internally, they have the nubs in there, and the edges of the molding seems a little bit messier than the original, but the cost is about 1/5 of the original. They're kind of priced at the level of disposable slippers. $1.89 for 12 sponges. If you go to Costco to buy this, it's about $6 to $8. So you can't beat the price. They're kind of the lightweight foam kind. Does it work? Feels like a normal sponge. These are stove gap covers. I just bought these on Amazon for $7.99. Are you kidding me? On TEMU? $2.38. As long as it's not an urgent purchase, you can just buy it. Wait a while and they will eventually arrive. Let's see if they work the same. This is the old one. TEMU one is half an inch shorter, but they look and feel the same. Same rubbery material. And to me, there is no difference. Door draft stopper. Adhesive strip that attaches to your door. It's pretty thick here so light won't shine through, and it has these pockets of air for insulation. It's a little bit longer than needed. Car air pump, $24. It's even rechargeable. Use the built-in flashlight to find your way. Set it to 42. It goes over a little bit and then it stops. 42 exactly. Really useful. Are you kidding me? $1.07 for this? Brush it back and forth. Let's see my bounty. A little bit of dirt on here. You can remove all of these and wash them. 40-watt charger. It folds out. Plug it in. I like this one because it has an amp output reading. This giant battery bank that's half charged, so it will draw a lot of power. The 4 means the 4th port is being used. 12 volts, 2.3 amps, charging at close to 30 watts. It's a pretty powerful adapter. But you can plug other things in to add up to 40 watts. $1.43. It's cheaper than the dollar store. There's a sticky backing to it. Hold your wires, and it has a little bear decoration. Every day I have to grab these wires, find the USB ends so I can plug it into my devices. As easy as that. Now we put these guys right there, right there. Now when I unplug it, it's not gonna fall off the table. Mini vacuum cleaner and compressed air, $17.91. Turns red here. There's a little filter here, a narrow attachment with a little brush, a compressed air nozzle, turn it around, and it also has a brush. super clean. $4.88 for this. It's a tech stuff cleaner. It's a bit of a slime that picks up dust and sucks it into your slime. Take this out. Let's see how that works. Just kind of put it over. Whoa, that's actually really fast. Do you need a doorbell? $9.71, a wireless doorbell, no wiring needed. You can either stick it on or use this attachment plate with these included screws. It's battery powered. You can take it off to charge it via USB-C. Red light over here shows it's charging. Mount this outside. You got a camera. You mount the companion unit with a USB. So you need your own USB adapter or just plug it in somewhere. Download the Loca app. Open the app, video doorbell with QR code. Tap the doorbell key, then press the reset button. Generate a QR code with the app with a Wi-Fi SSID and password. Then you aim this camera at the QR code to pick up that information. Now the device is added. So this hooks up to the Wi-Fi. This you place at your doorbell. Inside you have a ringer and you have the app that will ring when someone pushes the doorbell. Let me pretend to ring the doorbell. That rings first. This also rings. And then on the phone, there's a notification. Your doorbell is calling. Hello, hello. You can change your voice. Hello, ba 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 ba. It's like a little higher pitch. Record the video and play a live feed. Is that live feed now? Okay. Hello. And take a picture. You can choose between 1080p or 720p. Overall though, when you handle this device, it's actually pretty lightweight, but it actually works. Next up is this micro camera. There's a micro SD reader, a micro USB cable for charging, and the manual. Put in your own micro SD card. Press and hold the motion detection button to turn it on. You can see that little light in there turn on. Press the record button to start recording. It will then turn off, but it's still recording. Hello. If we want to stop, press it once and it'll stop recording. The solid on blue light means it's on standby mode, and then we can enter in motion detect mode. I'm in the bathroom and I'm about 2 feet from the camera. If I turn off the light, we can use your regular camera and see those little infrared lights if I get really up close to it. The infrared light needs to shine for night vision. So this is how you can detect a hidden camera. Sometimes you just need an optical drive. $11.07 for this thing. How crazy is that? You have a power cable, old style USB-A connector. Let's see if this works. Look at that right there. Yep, it can read. Because it only has a DVD-ROM logo on it, it actually does not play CDs. I tried several CDs and it's not readable by the computer. So if you're looking for a CD and DVD reader, make sure it says CD on the logo. Last item, trunk organizer. $6.19. It's a lot cheaper than anything you can get at a retail store. Open this up, put stuff in here, and it's wide enough that it won't roll around. When you don't need it, it collapses to a small size and you can tuck this away somewhere. Most of the items works just fine with the exception of the DVD drive. These are probably my favorite items. This dancing thing just makes me smile and laugh. I really like how you have a jet of air over here and you don't have to keep on buying those compressed air cans. This tire air inflator, it's automatic. It makes it really easy to keep your tire pressure at optimal levels. This would save you gas and tire thread in the long run. If you're not in a hurry, you just think it's a pretty good idea to own something like that, order it and it'll arrive in no time. Check out my affiliate link for TEMU down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.